In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to fix and troubleshoot your hosting's error logs seamlessly. If you have been struggling with website issues and need to identify the root cause, understanding how to access and clear these logs is an essential skill for any website owner. We are going to go over the step-by-step process to navigate your hosting environment, locate the specific error file, and get to the bottom of your technical glitches without needing a developer. Before we dive into the technical details, if this guide helps you get your site back on track, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow web management tutorials. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to your hosting account and sign in. Once you are logged in, look for the main navigation menu at the top and click on the Websites tab. This section displays all the hosting plans and domains linked to your account. Locate the specific website you are troubleshooting, and on the right-hand side, you will see a button labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Now that you are inside the website dashboard, you need to manage the configuration files of your site. Scroll down until you find the Files section and click on File Manager. When the File Manager opens in a new tab, you will see the root directory of your website. Most of the time, the file you are looking for will be located inside the public_HTML folder. Double-click that folder to open it. Once you are inside your public_HTML directory, scan your list of files for one named error log. This file is automatically generated by your server whenever a PHP script encounters an issue. Simply click on the file to open it in the editor. Here, you will find detailed information about the errors, including the timestamp and the specific line of code that triggered the problem. By reviewing these logs, you can quickly identify which plugin, theme, or custom code is causing the malfunction. Once you have identified the issue, you can make the necessary adjustments to your site. If the log file has grown too large and is consuming disk space, you can also delete or empty the contents of this file to give your server a clean start. After you have updated your code, keep an eye on this folder to see if new errors appear, which will confirm your fix was successful. Accessing these logs is the fastest way to debug server-side issues, saving you hours of trial and error. Make sure to come back to this file whenever you notice broken pages or unexpected downtime on your site. If you found this video helpful and it saved you some time, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more technical guides to help you manage your digital projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.